What's up, guys? I'm Meek with East Coast Ken. Today we're going to be trying out the Vevor stud welder and the slide hammer. So let's go ahead and load a stud. And we're going to try to pull this little spot right here. Now this has an automatic timer on this. All you got to do is make sure it's flush, pull the trigger, and it shuts off automatically. Take your slide hammer, twist it to the right to loosen it some, put it on, tighten it down by twisting it to the left. Now the one thing that I found out by using this is if you take a 22 millimeter wrench or a bigger crescent wrench and tighten it down just a little bit extra, you can give her the beans, and at worst that stud's gonna break off. That's the worst that happens, guys, but it doesn't come out. Loosen her up, and we'll do one more for you. And I'll show you guys what comes in this kit here in just a minute, but I'm gonna go right here. Pull the trigger, and it automatically shuts off. Put her on, crank her down, grab your wrench, give her a little tighten. Take your body hammer, and all that does is put a little stress back in the metal. You can really give this thing the beans. Alright guys, so the Vevor stud welder comes with all this stuff right here. It comes with the case. You already saw the stud welder and the slide hammer. This is used with these styles, and what it does is you weld this end to the car or the vehicle and then pull, and you set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them up in a row and you can pull it. It comes with a couple of different attachments, replacement parts. Then it's got a couple of different attachments that you can weld certain type of these two. And I keep the spare ones, the studs, the washers, and then these coil looking ones right here. So that's what you get inside of that kit, and I'll leave a link down in the description to the Amazon link of being able to order this. Alright guys, I'm Meek with East Coast Ken. I really like this, and it's at a fraction of the price of the tool truck brands or something from Eastwood or something like that, but it's better than Harbor Freights. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.